Welcome to the SSG11 Academy. In this very first video, we will talk a little bit about all the stuff that you need to do when the box is damaged and also what's inside the box. So we will open it, and in the subsequent videos, you will learn absolutely everything that you need to know about this platform. Even though you might be an experienced player, there will definitely be tips that you should know about, and we will go all the way as to showing you how to adjust the hop-up, put on the scope, all the way to assembly and disassembly. So definitely watch all of them. The first thing that we need to talk about when you receive the package is that if the package is damaged, if you see something off when the delivery guy delivered the package, broken corner, something like that, start with taking your phone and actually making a video of the unboxing. If the product on the inside is damaged, we need a proof that it happened when you got it first. Damage on the box, take a phone, take pictures, take video. All right, I hope that is not the case. You should see exactly what you see right here. No major damage, no hit on the corner, a couple of marks here and there, that's fine. What is important is that the product, that the SSG11 on the inside is all right. And now when we open the package, what do we see? We definitely see the rifle, right? But there is a hidden quote-unquote surprise, and that is hiding actually under this manual. As you can see, we have 3 adjuster rings that help you to adjust the power of the spring or the replica to the exact limit of your field. You can put these on the inside, put them under the spring, that will increase the power. If you need to decrease the power slightly, you can cut the spring a little bit, but that I'm skipping ahead. That is a separate video specifically on that. Now you need to know that there are adjuster rings hiding under this manual. List through the manual. These are mostly mandatory warnings that we need to include. Everything that you need to know about this is again in this specific academy. Now when we take the product out, the SSG11, we will see a couple of silica gels. That's for the moisture absorption. We don't need that. And definitely keep this cleaning rod because it's a sniper rifle. We want the barrel to be clean to get maximum accuracy. So this one definitely handy to have. Now we set the box aside and we will not start shooting. First thing, when we have it in the hand, we will check if there is no damage whatsoever on the replica from the shipping or what you might have. When we inspect everything, all good. If not, again, take pictures, take videos. Another important thing that you need to know is that customs officers sometimes do check the legality of the gun, meaning they need to shoot it and they need to measure the power output of your specific replica. This depends on your local laws. Since this video is universal, I'm not gonna go too much into detail where and what. Just know that somebody might have shot this replica and there might be a BB on the inside. How do we check that? We will take out the magazine by pushing this button and we will take it out. You should see no BBs in the magazine, but that doesn't mean that something the officer did and there is a BB in the chamber. It is rather unlikely with a replica like this. With AEGs, it's definitely a bit more common, but still we want to be safe, so we will double check that. Put on your safety glasses and make sure that you are not shooting in the direction of other people or TVs, screens, stuff like that. We will handle the safety and all of that in another video, but now I just want to show you what you need to do upon arrival to make sure it's 100% safe. So we will just rack it once. We will aim in the safe direction, which is usually down, and we will just pull the trigger, and now we know that everything is fine, there is no BBs, and we can move on to the next video where we will go more into depth of what to do. And I'm gonna sneak one more tip in, and that is the bolt handle specifically. If there is one important thing you should remember, it's to always lock the bolt handle all the way down, because I don't want to skip too much ahead. Just make sure it's always properly down when you want to fire. That will increase the consistency.